We are back with a marathon training vlog. I know I have been a little bit MIA when it comes to my running content, but I kind of have my 2025 marathons mapped out. My next race is in 5 weeks, the Fort Worth Cowtown Half Marathon, and then 12 weeks is the LA Full Marathon. So I started a plan from Runna, which basically creates a custom plan week by week, and I'm going to be locked in following that plan, running about 4 to 5 days a week, as well as hitting the gym 2 to 3 days. So today's Monday, December 23rd. It's almost Christmas, and I am going to go to the gym, hit a leg day, and then today for my plan, I have a 4.5 easy run, and I'm going to do that at my run club. So let's go to the gym. Also, I got a cute new outfit, this cute little ASICS top, and these shorts are from Amazon. Really quickly, I am so lucky and blessed, but I have been getting sent so much stuff from ASICS. My local ASICS reps are the best. I just unboxed 5 pairs of shoes, like 2 shirts, 2 pants, so many different things, and I'm actually gonna try out these NovaBlast 5 is what I'm going to wear today. They're definitely more bouncy than the shoes that I've been running in and a little bit more lightweight. But yeah, ASICS is pretty much all I've been wearing on my feet for the entire 2024. Let's open the package from ASICS. I love my ASICS reps. They have been spoiling me lately with all the stuff. These are so cute. We have some biker shorts that have pockets. Need the pockets. This is actually perfect because I have an orange run coming up and I need an orange cute little top. More gloves. 2 pairs of biker shorts. So I got the same pair in a medium and large. We'll see depending on how much I've been big backing which pair fits me. Ooh, this is really cute. This cute mesh singlet top, I love. And shoes, lots of shoes. Oh wait. They sent me 5 pairs of shoes. We got the Glideride Max and this really cute colorway. These are the GT 2013 in this pretty purple color. Ah! Yes! The NovaBlast 5s. I have been wanting to try these. Ah! Thank you. The brand new Gel Nimbus 27. If you guys know me, my last like 4 or 5 pairs of shoes have only been the Gel Nimbus 26. I have not ran in any other shoe all year. These are the brand new Gel Nimbus 27s. The last pair of shoes. This is the craziest unboxing I've done. These are the Gel Kayano 31s in a matcha green. I'm overwhelmed by how much stuff they just sent me. leg workout is done. It took me 45 minutes. I'm already sore. I have about an hour until run club. I want to start doing 2-a-days, but doing them like split between morning and evening. But to be honest, I hit snooze and slept in. So I'm doing a leg day and then 4.5 miles easy back to back. But in the future, I think my plan is to do weights Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then my run plan is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday long run. So it's gonna be a lot to get used to, but I really wanna start just building that routine and getting into the habit of it. But I definitely do wanna split. So like either do weights in the morning, running at night, or vice versa, because back to back is just kind of a lot. But I'm gonna go back upstairs and probably have a little snack and then head to run club. And I'm going to be breaking in these new NovaBlast 5. So we'll see how they feel. My legs are definitely gonna be feeling a little bit heavy, but I'm just gonna go nice and easy for this run. And we are off to run club.
Training vlogs. I might want to do that. Anybody want to hire me? No, I'm kidding. Me.
She's extra
I want to do that for me.
On Thursday, because like my family spotted me as like that. They're like, oh,
What am I doing?
We're wearing orange because UT won.
Because she made me. I didn't know.
We're the only orange school left in the playoffs. Move your hand.
I'm good.
Move your hand.
I'm good.
He's wearing orange. My legs feel like jello, but the new shoes do feel good.
Hey, what's the word?
I still don't know how I feel about this new wide angle lens, but Monday workout done. My first run in the NovaBlast 5. I love them. I am gonna try all the shoes to see like what shoe I want to use for what purpose, but Monday done. I am going to eat some breakfast, rehydrate, go to sleep, and do it again tomorrow. Hit snooze a bunch of times today. Woke up late. It's pouring down rain, so I came to the treadmill. I hate running on the treadmill. I only got 0.63 miles in. I was supposed to do hills today, and then I was gonna do a treadmill tempo run. It just didn't work out. I'm gonna go run outside, maybe like 4 miles, because I just cannot run on the treadmill. I ended up running outside in the rain. That run sucked, not because of the rain. I actually like running in the rain, but I feel so out of shape, sore, tired. My body like getting used to rebuilding that base. It sucks, but it's Christmas Eve. I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to go hang out with my family today. And tomorrow, I either have hills or an easy run tomorrow, but tomorrow's Christmas, so I may swap the workouts and just do my easy run tomorrow. But I'll see you guys on Christmas. Bye. It's Christmas morning. I just did my 4 miles easy with a couple of my friends. I'm wearing an all red and green outfit with my Christmas socks, and honestly the run kind of sucked. My legs still feel super heavy, but again, I'm just building my base and getting back in shape, so it's gonna suck until it doesn't. But I'm gonna shower and enjoy Christmas with my family. Tomorrow I have hills, but I also have run club, so I think I might do hills in the morning and then 3 miles easy in the evening with run club. But I am definitely feeling heavy, and I know that at the end of this week, my long run is 11 miles. So I'm pushing through, but getting back in shape always sucks. Good morning. It's the day after Christmas. It is raining. I slept in. It's like 9:20. I have a hard workout today. I have hill repeats. I don't know how many. I honestly kept hitting snooze and debated just pushing it back to tomorrow, but I need my Friday rest day before my 11 miler on Saturday. So you know what? I got up, I ate breakfast. It's actually 9:20. I would have liked to do this workout maybe like 2 hours ago, but it is what it is. I'm gonna head outside. It's not pouring rain, and I hope it doesn't because it's gonna be really slick running uphill. I'm gonna wear my Gel Nimbus 26s, like my thicker comfort shoes, because I feel like my speed shoes, it might get kind of slippery like running up the hill. But yeah. Also, I switched back to this wide angle lens. I keep going back and forth. I'm experimenting with like how I want to vlog, and I have a cute little light. So I'm working on giving you guys the best quality. So I've just been playing around with different things. Okay, I'm still tired, but it's only 3.75 miles total with like the warm up, the hills, and the cool down. So it's not like it's a lot. It's just gonna be rough running uphill, but let's go do a hill workout. Hopefully it does not start thunderstorming and pouring down rain. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I should have brought a freaking towel. I am literally dripping, drenched. My seats. I hope it doesn't ruin my seats, but workout done. The cool down, it started pouring down rain. Oh my gosh. Woo! Yeah, I need to start keeping towels in my car. Workout done. Woo, no days off. Running in the rain and giving main character energy is all fun and games until I come home and my hair is just in knots. Ah! I've been having a lazy Saturday morning. It's 10:15. I still have not done my long run. I normally run at 7:30 a.m. with my run club, but I slept in. I had to do some work. I've just been kind of laying around editing TikToks, and I need to go run. It's been thunderstorming outside. I think it's gonna stop soon. Y'all, I really don't feel like running, but I need to get my run in, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Yeah, marathon training at the beginning is rough. It's rough. I have 9.5 miles, which isn't terrible, but I don't think I've ran that far. I haven't ran that far in a while, like at least like I want to say 2 months. So let me find some motivation and get up and go get this run done. But my couch is just so comfy. This is me before running 9.5 miles in a thunderstorm. Always trust your gut when you're running. I'm running by myself. I just started my run and I was going towards the trail, which is kind of secluded. It's also like raining, so there's not really many people out on the trail. This guy who looked homeless rode by on the bike, passed me, stopped and turns around and looks at me. So of course I'm like, hell no, and I turn around and take off back towards the street because you never know. Better to be safe than sorry. So now I'm doing my run along the street because I am not about to be caught alone on the trail. So ladies, follow your gut. Obviously, if you can, run with people, but you just never know. 9.5 miles done. I am limping. My legs are done. I haven't ran this long in like 2+ months. It was a hilly long run, so I picked a route that was kind of up and down. The fastest 9 miles I've ever ran, and that's, oh my gosh, I need to sit down. Actually, if I sit down, I might not get up, so we're gonna do this angle. That's my week of training. Let me go grab my phone. Christmas week, and I did not miss a single workout. I did only go to the gym once, but I hit every single workout on my runna plan. 25, I actually did 0.4 miles over, so I did 25.8 miles. Tomorrow's Sunday, and Sundays are normally my rest days, but my run club is having a special run in honor of our friend who recently passed. Tomorrow is his 30th birthday, so we're doing a 3-mile run with his family, all wearing orange, his favorite color. So I will be running tomorrow, even though Sunday is normally a rest day, but just a really nice and easy pace run. So I'm gonna take an Epsom salt bath and get my life together, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So I think I should be finishing after tomorrow my week off with 28.8 miles.
But I did it.